turn the fan on. I got both doors open, but I don't feel any circulation. Okay, so what do we have here? What do we have here? I should have thought about checking these before I screwed it up there, huh? I know the lights work because I checked them, but I don't remember. I think I could probably put all the grounds together. That's what I'm thinking here at this point in time. And then I'll put the two whites together. So I only have one connection to make, or two, one for each. So I don't have to do four. We're going to put this on here. Axle. Axle. Uh-huh. Let's take that one. Oh, I forgot about these. These are a pain in the ass to strip. This wire is super thin. You know, like super freak. Super freak. Okay. What do I want to do here? I need to get well, first of all, I gotta put a switch on them. I just can't have it like that. So, hey Tuck. So what? Where do I want to put the switch? As close as possible, I guess. All right, let me see. So I can use one of these. I'll straighten it out. Boop, boop, and drill to the switch. Put a little bend on it. Boop, 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 and we'll be all set. I have my switch. Yeah, let's do that. I come to play. Wait, another one over here. What do you got? Hmm? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I don't want to get all these little clips in here because this. Oh, let's get that out of the way. There. Now, there we go. Da 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 da. Yeah, see all those? I don't know if you've seen them or not. Yeah. And those are sharp. They'd end up all over everything. They really would. That's why I say you gotta. The hand one, you have more control. Okay, now that that's in there, I want to be free. I'm going to bend it right about there, I guess. So let's take this back out if I can. Should be able to. Hold on. There we go. Let's put it over here in a little vase. Let's put this side in so we don't break it. And then a little Matilda. My big one is Bertha, but the little one is her sister, Matilda. Drill a couple little holes in this. Now what? What, do you like the cover? See my little buddy? Get over here. Now you run like hell. Stop driving in circles. You got me. Going in circles. Anyway, you make a lot of headway, boy, I'll tell you. Yeah, you do. Put this up. Okay. Now. I go here. I still got to need another one to go off, but that's okay. Let's put this in here. Not a problem. No problemo. Oh yeah? Now I need another black to come off here, come off the switch. So this is going to go on the center, like so. And this little one is going to go on that little one right there, like so. And the baby's going to go out there and bark at everything again. Baby, shut up! Oh, possibly. Tell me more about what you want. Oh, Sarah. How you doing? Hugs and hugs. I forgot the hugs. Oh, anytime, anything for you, kiddo. Oh, that's good. That's good. I do appreciate that. Yeah, because I can't read those damn reports. You write them in languages, you know, you might as well just put it in German for all I care, because I can't read the damn thing. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I cut it back a long time ago. No, I didn't. Why? Because I'm fine. From the bottom of your heart. All right. Yeah, right. You're a pain in the ass. I used to like you. Anyway, listen. When I stopped taking that other medication, that over-the-counter stuff, I think I told you about it. Everything went back to the way it was. And if I'm showing okay, and that little extra beat that I got, possibly, that I've had for God knows how long, all right? You know, do I really need to take that extra medication? That's crazy. Yeah, I know. So, well, then tell me what it's going to do for me. Okay, how about if we do this? How about if we do this? Because you can tell if that's there when you do an EKG, correct? Okay, so here's what. Time out. Don't start acting like my wife. All right. I believe I have an appointment with you on the 23rd of July. Okay. So I'm going to maintain my 100 until then. And then you can check to see what happens. And if you think at that point, yeah, then we'll give it some heavy duty thought about going into it, like you say. And if I do find it, you know, where I feel the beat, then I'll start immediately and let you know. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You got it. All right, I'll be all ready. You too, hon. Bye-bye. That was my heart doctor. Anyway, she said she just wanted me to know that I sent her I sent her a message on my chart. I don't know if you guys have that program or not, where you guys are at, but we have this my chart program that we tie right into the hospitals and any other doctors that I may see. And not all doctors are on it, however, but mine are. And if not, they usually have one of their own or something. However, if they have one of their own, then what happens is the larger places that have my chart may not have what he has on their chart. You follow me? So it's easier when everything's on the one. When everything's on the one. Okay, so now this one, I really didn't want to cut that off. Is there a way that I can do this without cutting this off? Maybe so. Let's wait a minute here. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so anyway, she was saying everything is fine except for that little extra thump that I get every now and then on the Alright, I was going to think or say, if I had, and I do have someplace, I just don't know where. I have a 6-banker. Well, I can always change it, it's not a big deal. So I could put this here, which means see, this was all going to be in that panel. I'm not ready for that yet. Let's put this here. This is a good one. This is for like marine stuff. Or something that may have a possibility of getting wet. That's the one. You can buy these for like $10. This is like 35. This is a blue something. Blue sea. Yeah, right.